Time. This is curry. Garlic. Ginger. White pepper. Black pepper. Lebanese. Mixed spices. Olive oil. This is onion. You can use your hand. If you prefer using your hands, you can use it. You can see that I did not add any seasoning cube and I did add salt. If you want to enjoy your chicken without salt and seasoning cube, this is the best way to do it. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, help me share this video. Thank you. I shared it into two. I have 10 pieces here. In this place, I think I have 8 pieces. I didn't know I was not recording, so I added this very one. If you want your chicken to taste like suya, that's what I added. This is another spicy to make your chicken taste like suya. This very one, I didn't add to this one. I thought I was recording it. Look at it here. So I'll just mix it. This very one, I'm going to eat it like that. Maybe when I'm eating food like rice, plantain, anything like that. But this very one, we use it for soup. Let's move to the next step. This is paprika. I thought I don't have paprika. I'm supposed to add it from the beginning when I was still mixing it here. So you can add any spices of your choice. So I will leave it for some minutes. You can cover yours. I will leave it here for some minutes before. It has been resting here for almost 40 minutes now, or more than 40 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and help me share. Right now, I'm taking it to the oven. If you are using electric oven, it will be ready once. But this is not electric oven. That is why I'm turning the other side. I just brought it out from the oven. So you can dry your own more than this, if that's how you want it. Please like my video, share with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and remember to turn on your bell notification so that whenever I upload video, you'll be notified. Please remember to share. Bye bye. See you on my next video.